is higher than I would say Buddy Pranav's. Like when Buddy Pranav was like rising through the ranks and becoming a strong player, he had very, very good tactical vision, but this kid's vision is better than Buddy's. And Buddy, of course, is now at 2600, so I would say he's going to be 26 for sure, unless something really bad happens. He's a lot better than Faustino Oro. Like, actually just play, because like Faustino, I can just beat. Again, not trying to sound arrogant here, but I don't really have to give it my all, but I do need to focus when I play that kid. Play d5. He's going to play queen a4. I don't really want to play queen d7, but it is the best move. I'll take with a knight. Play an endgame. I mean, if Cagnus can win these endgames, why can't I? Goes e3. c5 must be correct. c4 is very shaky, but I'm playing at 2500, so I'm going to do it anyway. Go here. I need to grip the queen side. No grip. If there's no grip, I'm in trouble, so I need to grip it. Goes rook e1. I also don't like that move. So the idea, I guess, is to eventually play e4. I don't actually understand what his plan is. I'm a little confused. Let's play bishop d1. e4, I just take. I'm a little confused what his plan is here. And I guess I just go here. I take away e4. Now I'm threatening to trap the rook, maybe. Strange play. Go here, kick the horse away. Back. Probably I'm gonna go like I really want to play a5 at some point. I also have h5. I think I'm just gonna castle as a prophylactic against e4. Now I can play h5. I also have knight d5. Again, there should be something that I'm missing here, but I don't. The main thing is like I've had enough tilty evening Tuesdays in my life to know that like the main thing is I just can't get low on time. If I get low on time, that's when bad things happen. And let's go here and trade, I guess. Why not? The reason I'm happy to trade is I need to start pushing the p. I need to use this pawn majority. I've got 3 pawns here versus the 2 pawns on the queen side. So let's. I want to take with this rook, but I hang h7, so I'll just take with this rook. Wow. That's upsetting. I was hoping he would not find knight f2. I'll go knight b6, I guess. Because if he gets the knight to e4 and c5, I have big problems. So that's why I have to be able to capture. I'm going to start pushing p on the queen side. I should win this game pretty cleanly, but it's still not super thrilled by everything. Dodging any b3 nonsense. I can always go a5. Goes for it. Interesting. Not what I would have done, that's for sure. Fixes the bishop. I do have f5 here. Maybe I've got f4 too. I think f5 wasn't best though. It's got this. I guess I'll try to stack the 2 towers here. I need to start pushing the p on the queen side very soon. Here. Here, I'm threatening e. Oh no, e5. No, that's right. What am I doing? Okay, let's just go all in with b4. There is knight a4 here, maybe. I also have f4, maybe. Actually, I kind of like f4 here to... Oh, I could have traded, maybe gone e5 since he I should have traded and gone e5 because the bishop on b1 doesn't guard the rook. He goes bishop there, but he gives me a second chance to play e5. And this time I'm not going to forget. I'm going to play e5 here. And now his pawn chain is in serious trouble. And I might get a big black center with all these big pawns. Goes d5. Okay, I kind of expected that. Now I need to come up with the solution to win the game, which I don't actually see right off, which is really, really not exactly what I was hoping. Go king c7. Still's risky. I'm trying to walk the king up to d6. If bishop d3, I take the rook or the pawn. If b3, I have c3. Let's take here. You can sack the rook, but I have rook c7. Okay, now I should win the game. I just now it's a matter of playing on the dark squares is what I need to do. Take. I can also go. I guess I just go c3. Why not? Oh my god! I just blundered. What the heck was that? I just blundered. Oh my god. Really, in game 1, I'm gonna mess it all up. I have to play a4 and let's see. Just takes and then, okay, let's go here. He is low on clock and he's got weaknesses. And I have outside P. That's a blunder because now I can go here to hit the rook, take the pawn. He's trying to activate. I have rook f3 here. Oh, there's also just... wait, rook c1 just wins. Rook's... Oh, no, it doesn't win. Why did I do that? Oh, no. What the heck was that? So we'll take and take. Why did I have to do this? This was ridiculous too. Okay, now I win because I have rook a8. There's some weird H. There's a funny trick with H5.